If parents or guardians would like to receive email notifications notifying them of their child's progress in their teacher's Google Classrooms, they must contact their child's teacher. If you do not know your child's teacher's email address, you can locate it on the school website. Visit northbergen.k12.nj.us, move your mouse over schools, and then choose the correct school. For example, if your child attends North Bergen High School, move your mouse over Staff, and then choose Staff Directory Pages. Type in the first or last name of your child's teacher. Click on the name of the teacher, and then choose Send Email. When you see this page, type in your full first and last name. If you see this screen pop up, just make sure you log in to whichever email account that you have, and it will automatically generate your first and last name and your email address. For the subject, your subject could include Google Classroom, Summaries, and an example of a message could include the following message. This is only an example for you. You could choose Send me a copy of this email, and then choose the CAPTCHA button, and then choose Send. Once a teacher adds your email address to Google Classroom, you will receive email summaries that include missing work, upcoming work, and class activity. I'm a parent and I logged into my Gmail account, and I could see here this is the subject. It has a teacher's name, and it has the subject Get Google Classroom Email Summaries for, and then has the student's name. If I click on it, it says the teacher's name, Krista Wells, invited you as a guardian in Google Classroom. Okay, this is their child's name. All you have to do is click on Accept or I'm not the guardian. Okay, so I'm going to click on Accept, and this is the confirmation that I get. I'm going to click on Accept, and now it tells you the frequency. How often would you like to receive an email summary of your student's activity? You could click on weekly, daily, or no summaries. I would choose either daily or weekly. Maybe you want to get an email once a week, or daily, you get it once a day. I'm going to click daily. And then just have the parent choose their time zone. Would you choose the time zone? You could just click off of Google Classroom. Okay, I am the parent again now. I just received the email that the teacher gave me. It's right here. Okay, this is the name of the teacher. My child's name, Progress in English Language Class. If I scroll down, this is what the parent can see. It has the name of their child, the name of your class, progress report, the date it was created, and the time that you sent the email. It tells you what was assigned, what was turned in. Okay, this one you didn't give them a grade yet. This is the assignments that were missing. You cannot click on an assignment or material or a question. You only see a summary. You could see what they got, but as you could see here, I cannot click on anything. Here's another example of a weekly summary. You could see here the student work. This is missing from last week. This is what's due next week. You can see here this was an assignment and this was a due date. Another assignment, and another assignment. Assignments, questions, and announcements are all included in daily and weekly summaries.